Yeah, hello guys. We are. I just want to do this. Announce that here it is. I'm sponsored by Drocon Drones. I'm gonna put it right here in front of my face so you can see it. This is a DC-08 drone. The camera's right there. It shoots in 1080p. It's a quite substantial drone. And over the next few weeks, I'll be doing a series of reviews of it, test flights, as well as comparing it to my Mavic Mini. I think would be a good comparison. It's matte black finish with the gold in it, and the controllers kind of matches it. And the propellers, you can see how big the props are compared to my hand. So, like I say, I would highly recommend everybody out there that's watching this, leave a comment, and all these videos updates I do for this drone from this point on. And as well as go to drocon.co and you can see their other drone products. So feel free to go there and check out their other drone products. This is the first of many I'm going to be doing so with them, and we're going to go from there and see what happens. The drone comes with a controller, two sets of props, charger. Let's see here. Two sets of prop, the drone, controller, of course, and the clip for your telephone, your cell phone. It is most likely it's going to be a Wi-Fi connection. There's not a way to hard plug your phone into it, but it could be a good drone for somebody down the line to win. So that being said, keep an eye out for it and look for drocon.co on the internet, and check out the other product lines as well. That being said, catch you later. Bye bye.